Today we're going to be taking a look at arrays, which are going to allow us to store more than one value inside of a variable. So let's go ahead and jump into this right now so we can see what they look like. We'll start off by defining our data type, so what the type of data you're going to be putting inside of this array. You're just going to write it, so we're going to use integers, and we can call this whatever we want. I can go ahead and call this array. Now what you're going to want to do is in square braces, you're going to want to include how many values you're going to be putting inside of your array. So I can go ahead and say we'll be putting 5 values inside of this array, and you'll close it off like that. You're going to press equal, and then you're going to open up squiggly braces, and then separated by commas, you're going to list all of the values that you're going to be putting inside. So I can go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Simple like that, and I close off, and I'll put a semicolon at the end, and that's our array. We just assigned those values to our array, and we're using integer data. So we can go ahead and see how we're going to print this out. We're going to keep this video simple. Let's go ahead and just simply print out the array. Now, we can't go ahead and just print everything out. We're going to indicate which value from this array we want to be displayed. And we're going to just write simply array. And in the square brackets as well, now you're going to indicate which number you would like printed. You know, the first number, the second number, the third number. Just write whatever you want. So we're going to want the third number to appear. So we'll go ahead and write that. And then we're going to write end line. And we're going to go print. And we're going to expect a 3, right? Because the 3 is the third value. We're going to print, and we see at the bottom over here, we have a what? A 4? One thing I want you guys to know here is we requested it to print the third value. Computers start counting at 0. So this over here is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So the third number, the one you see here, is actually at position 2. And if you see, if I go and put 2 here, we're going to see that we're actually going to get that 3 popping out. So I just want you guys to remember this, and it's just something important to consider. 3, and now just to confirm it to you guys, if I put a 0 here, you're going to see that we're going to get the 1 popping up, because that's the first position. So that was just arrays, a nice short video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we're going to be looking at more things with arrays in the coming video. Thanks.